Greetings from Bal Harbour Beach in Miami. It is 2:40 p.m. on this 1st of January 2025, and I am continuing to explore the beaches in Miami. And while I speak, there is an airplane that is having a commercial that says LIV or Live Sexy Red and Glorilla Tonight. I'm assuming that is some kind of a bar or a discotheque here in Miami, and there are a lot of them actually. So it is a super hot day, the first day of the year, and super sunny as well. And I have explored a few beaches earlier today in that direction, including all over both the nudist and the public beach. And this is Bal Harbour Beach. And on the other side it continues to Surfside Beach as well. Quite crowded, and it was actually mostly closed for the usage of the residents of this building, and there was only one entrance that was around 1 kilometer away from the bridge that was connecting to all over. And let's then enjoy this super nice day, as we have now 3.5 hours actually until sunset. So let's speed things up to enjoy a beautiful swim here, as I will need to head back to South Beach soon and explore there some more things as well. So yes, this is how the beach looks like. Only sunbeds all the way through for the residents of this area, but yeah, it's a fully packed day because it is probably non-working day, I'm assuming, or maybe many people are on vacation also as well. And here I have noticed that it gets also shallow after some time. Now it is there is some depth now, but it gets shallow in a bit there. I see some people standing right there, down to the knees actually. So yes, beach adventures with Chris in Miami Beach, at Bal Harbour Beach more specifically. Now yes, let's enjoy then the swim here before I hit the shallow ground. So let's go. Amazing. What a beautiful day to do beach adventures in Miami. Indeed. And yes, now I'm at the second. Now it's again shallow water after a bit of a depth there. So yeah, it's so amazing, and I would love to have an apartment right there. But I would love to have it facing west also, but also with sea view as well. So yeah, here it is, a bit more shallow, and we can see there all the way to South Beach at the end. Alright, so that is a wrap from Bal Harbour Beach in Miami, and let's then enjoy as much as we can, and I will continue my walk along the beach for 2 more beaches before I catch the bus to South Beach, Miami. So greetings from yet another episode from Miami Beach, more specifically from Bal Harbour, and see you soon again with another beach adventures on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.